Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I would be going to discuss about derivation of distance formula in coordinate geometry. Get started. This coordinate plane, y dash, x dash. The vertical axis is y axis. Horizontal axis is x axis. Here drawn triangle PTQ. These two lines are parallel. Here triangle PTQ angle PTQ is 90 degree, angle T is equal to 90 degree. Then triangle PTQ is a right angle triangle. So here applicable in Pythagoras theorem, PQ is a hypotenuse and PT is a base and QT is altitude. Base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. The distance between PT is parallel to x-axis. So distance is equal to S2 minus x1, parallel to x-axis. Then the distance is S2 minus x1. QT, the line QT is parallel to y-axis. The distance is equal to y2 minus y1. Parallel to x-axis S2 minus x1, parallel to y-axis y2 minus y1. Now PT square is equal to S2 minus x1 whole square plus QT parallel to y-axis y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to PQ square. Square root on both sides, right square and square root cancel, then square root of S2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Distance is equal to S2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance between any 2 points is square root of S2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This formula is applicable in all cases. Here over. Thank you for watching.